few people have asked me what I wear in the winter and could I do a video about the sort of clothing I wear. So here it is. So the first thing I do in any winter ride is make sure I've looked at the forecast to see what sort of temperatures it's going to be and whether there's going to be any rain or anything like that. In the winter, I will always be wearing long tights with overshoes, I expect, unless it's been really dry for a long period. So long tights and a close fitting undershirt. And this one here is a compression style thermal top from Decathlon, which I've got a few of and I love them because they really don't take up a lot of room, but they do give you that sense of warmth. If it's about 10 degrees Celsius or centigrade, I will be wearing that undershirt I said, and also probably something like a Castelli Perfetto. They're not too thick, and if you're cycling reasonably hard and working up a bit of heat, that will keep you warm. And probably in the winter I'll also be wearing my gilet over the top of that, just for visibility as much as anything else, but it does provide that bit of extra layering. If it's going to be colder than that, say maybe 7 or 8 degrees, I'll swap out that Perfetto top for this one, which is a windproof jacket. It's not particularly water resistant, it's probably got a little bit of resistance to it, but it's got a more of a thermal Roubaix sort of lining to it, and that's that extra comfort I need in those sort of a drop of 2 or 3 degrees. And that extra bit of Roubaix lining really does make a difference, and probably I'll be fine on that, as I said, in anything from about 7 to 8 degrees, 9 degrees and up. If it gets really cold, as in just above freezing, 2 or 3 or 4 degrees, I'll probably be wearing my long sleeve base layer. I'll be wearing a long sleeve jersey underneath that jacket, and then probably a gilet on top of that too. So quite a few layers, and layering really makes a massive difference. And obviously if you do get hot, it's quite easy to either take a gilet off and put it in your pocket or undo various layers as you need. And probably as it's winter, and unless it's a beautifully clear day, which actually it is today, but I will probably be taking my rain jacket with me just in case, which fits over the top of all that. Alternatively, I might go out if it is sort of a damp, warmish day with, instead of that Castelli Perfetto, I might be wearing my rain jacket, which again has got a bit of a lining to it. So as long as it doesn't get too cold, that's fine in those conditions too. And if it does get a bit colder, I'll probably put that long sleeve jersey underneath that. And glove wise, I've got a range of gloves ranging from quite thin gloves for maybe around 10 degrees to slightly thicker, again for maybe 8 degrees. And if it's really cold, I'll wear my really big, more thermal, almost like ski gloves the rest of the time when it's around 2 or 3 degrees. If it is icy, I probably won't be going out, because the last thing I want to do is come off on a patch of ice on a back road, which is very common, certainly around here when there's a lot of runoff from fields and things like that. So that's what I wear in the winter. One other thing I should say, of course, is I do wear a snood or a buff that helps protect the neck, and I can pull it over my face and up to my ears if I need to, if it gets really cold. So I hope you found that useful. What do you wear in the winter? Don't forget to drop that in the comments below, and until next time, bye for now.